There are a few things that are foundational to safety for all tools, and primarily that means understanding how the tool interacts with the wood. Every tool interacts differently, and understanding which direction the blade or the bit wants to pull that piece of wood helps you understand how to keep yourself safe across every tool. So, in general, we want to make sure that we're maintaining a stable stance, move slowly and deliberately, and we're never rushing or forcing a cut. The tool should be doing the work. You shouldn't be doing the work for the tool. Keep your hands clear of moving parts, and if you do need to cut a smaller piece, you can use jigs or clamps to keep your hands away from the spinning blade. If something feels off, stop immediately. Reassess the situation, ask for help. Don't try to push through if something doesn't feel quite right. That's when accidents happen. Wait for the machine to stop completely before you reach in and grab any small parts from around the blade or the bit. And if you're making any adjustments, make sure you completely unplug that tool from the wall. That just prevents it from being accidentally turned on while your hands are in there adjusting moving parts. Before we make any cuts in the wood shop, we want to make sure that we inspect the lumber to make sure that there aren't any nails or pieces of metal embedded in the wood. So this piece of poplar has a staple in the end. We definitely want to remove that before we cut anything. Bits of metal can be really damaging to the blades. They can also cause sparks and they could cause a kickback on a blade. So there's a handy metal detector that lives over by the table saw. You can use this to scan your wood. And once you've identified that piece of metal, you can remove it using a screwdriver or a pair of pliers. And there is a little scrap metal bin over here. Just make sure you throw that in the bin rather than throwing it on the floor.